What's up, y'all? JazzJanay here, and today it's just gonna be like evening in my life. I got some packages. I'm wearing one of them now, but I have a special package downstairs right now. So yeah, I got off work a while ago, and I just been chilling with my mom, chilling with Chase. I ate dinner already. So yeah, so I got a package from Missguided. I just ordered some little stuff. So the first item is just this Missguided pink sweatshirt, and this one is really good quality, y'all. Like, it feels so good on, and I love the color on me and stuff. So another thing that I got is this tennis skirt. It is so cute. Don't mind my bump. These masks are just killing me. I'm washing them and all that, and I'm disinfecting them, and they're still breaking me out. But I got a little white tennis skirt because I'll be doing a video soon, and it's from Missguided, and it has a Missguided label on there. Let me turn on my TV. Y'all, I have been binge watching Moesha since they put it on Netflix. I love this show. I forgot how good this show was. I forgot how good this show was, but it is so good. And then another item that I got, which I'm gonna have to send back, is this jumpsuit. I thought I was ordering a size 10, but soon as I approved my order or confirmed my order, I seen it was a size 2. Y'all, I was so mad because it's a really cute jumpsuit. So I'm gonna send it back and get a different size. But I'm gonna go downstairs and get my other package. What it is. I already know what it is, but couldn't find any scissors, so we gotta finesse our way. The box is so pretty on the inside. But yeah, I got all 3 products. I got the SPF, I have the Fenty Skin Cleanser, and I have the Fenty Skin Fat Water. I cannot wait to use these. I love a good toner. So yeah, maybe I'll try it out on camera for you guys in this vlog as well. But yeah, that's what's in the box. So excited to try it. We're just gonna see how it goes. So just about to put on some tunes. I was listening to this old playlist today, and I think I'm gonna put on Me and You by Casey. just used the cleanser, and it's called Remove It All Cleanser, Total Cleanser. It is supposed to be a daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. It says soft skin without stripping or drying. So my skin used to be really oily, but now my skin has like changed. It seems like as I got older. My sister get on my nerves. She always pocket watching. But so far I like the way my skin feels. It doesn't feel like dry. I don't have any dry patches or anything like that. It doesn't feel tight or anything like that. And y'all, I'm gonna give my honest review and stuff. I'm not like a skin guru or nothing like that. As y'all can see, I do not have good skin. I've been dealing with acne since I was a little girl, and I never grew out of it, and I'm 24 now. But yeah, it doesn't leave like a dry feeling. My skin doesn't feel tight or anything like that. It still feels pretty moisturized. I should have left my makeup on and just used the cleanser to take off my makeup as well, but maybe I'll do that in another video. But so far my skin feels pretty clean. The cleanser that I usually use is the CeraVe hydrating facial cleanser, and my skin kind of feels the same way as it feels when I use this one. Probably is a little bit more moisturizing, but yeah, my skin doesn't feel bad at all. So now I'm gonna just go and steam my face. Now I steamed my face and stuff, so now I'm going on with the fat water. It's the Pore Refining Total Serum, and it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the looks of dark spots, even skin tones, and fights shine without stripping skin. So we're gonna try this. It doesn't require a cotton round. You just use your hands. My hands have already been washed. Make sure to always wash your hands before touching your face, because you know that's dirty. So yeah, so this is how the fat water looks. It looks pretty thick. It doesn't look all liquidy as I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, we're just gonna try that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. It has like a pretty thick consistency, but it's not that thick. But you can tell it's not like a regular toner. The toner that I usually use is the Rose Petal Rose Water Facial Toner. And as you can see, this is liquidy. It would never go stay in my hand like this. So that's why she said you can apply it with your hands. So I'm just apply it. Scent to it, but it's not strong at all. It's a very, very light scent. So yeah, I am about to go. Yeah, I am gonna walk change, so I do need some sunscreen. So this is the Hydro Visor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Oh wow, okay, so on the inside right here, it says, love your skin, respect the planet, refill me, so separately. So this comes with 2 parts, that's why the box is so big. So you're just gonna insert the actual sunscreen into the container. So the sunscreen comes like this, and it says the Fenty Skin Hydro Visor on it. And then this is the container that it comes with. So you put that in there, and then you twist it, and it's set in place. That is so cool. And then to open it, you twist it at the bottom. To close it, you twist it back down. That's so cool. I love packaging of stuff. I love cute packaging. Like I feel like I can like display this on my bathroom countertop. So direction: apply 15 minutes before sun exposure. And reapply every 2 hours. So I was reading some of the reviews online, and it was like you need at least, I think it was like 2 fingers of sunscreen for adequate protection. So moisturizing right now. The more you rub it in, it doesn't leave like a white cast over it like some of the sunscreens. But I don't know how I feel about it yet. I guess I'm gonna let it like settle into my skin because it's a moisturizer and it's an SPF. But it's a little oily, but I'm gonna see how my skin reacts to it as it settles and stuff. But it did not leave a white cast or anything like that. I know I look a mess without makeup on. Your girl is tired, okay? So yeah, that's my first impression of the Fenty Skin. I just love the packaging, and I just wanted to support my girl Rihanna. I know she don't know me or nothing like that, but I want to see old girl prosper, you know. But overall, it doesn't seem like it's gonna do any harm to my skin or anything like that. I don't have sensitive skin, like I don't break out the fragrances or nothing. But yeah, it is fragrance in it. It's not really a big deal to me. But oh yeah, okay y'all. Like I'm letting it settle in, and it got my skin feeling so smooth. Oh, that feels good. But you know, this is my first round of products and stuff. This like the launch product and all that. So we'll see how far she comes when it comes to skincare. Seems like Rihanna kills it in everything that she puts out. So I wouldn't judge the first batch. I'll let y'all know how it does my skin over the next few days. I'm gonna just try it out. This was just like a first, like, what's it called? A first impressions. A first impressions of the product. No way, no how am I a skincare guru. I don't know anything about skincare, but I know what works for my skin. I know how, if my skin feels good or not and stuff like that. So yeah, don't drag me in the comments. Don't come for me talking about I don't know what I'm talking about, or I'm just saying it because it's Rihanna. Rihanna don't know me. I don't know Rihanna. If it's bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. If it's mediocre, it's mediocre. So for my first impressions, I'll probably give it like a 6 or a 7 out of 10 just because it's a first impressions. It didn't really wow me. I really like how Fat Water feels. Fat Water would probably be an 8 out of 10. I really love how it feels, and I really like how the SPF is making my skin feel right now. So I'll probably also give it an 8 out of 10. Cleanser would be 6 out of 10. Because it didn't really wow me. I need to try it with makeup on just to see if it removes all my makeup. Because I've seen reviews where it said it didn't remove their mascara, which is, you know, that's hard, y'all. This is her first skincare line. She's not gonna get it right the first time. That's hard for any cleanser to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go on and wash my hair, deep condition my hair, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.